Hey, it's Danish from Local Niche Marketing, and in this video, we are going to cover how you can set up Google Ads conversion tracking for your GoHighLevel website or funnels. Now, for this video, we will just jump right into it, right? So, in this video, we are going to need some tools, and if you don't know how these tools work, you can click somewhere uh, in this video to see how Google Tag Manager works. But essentially, we are going to need a Google Tag Manager account. Then we are going to put the head and body code inside the settings of your funnels or your website, and then we are going to create conversion actions. So let's just get started. So this is our Google Tag Manager. Once you sign up, it is going to give you a code like head and body. Now this is very important to paste all these codes in the head and body tag body tracking codes under the settings page. I'll show you. Under the settings, if you come in under the settings, and you can see the head tracking code here. Head tracking code will be replaced by this, as I have already done that, so I don't have to worry about that. But you are going to copy and paste head code here and body code here. Once you do that, your Google Tag Manager will be good to go. Now we have to create conversion actions inside Google Ads account, right? So this is our Google Ads account. Once you click on this goals and then summary, this will lead you to this page. And in this page, you're going to create a conversion action. Now the conversion action is can be a phone call lead. It can be a submit lead form, book an appointment. So we are going to track lead form submission. In our case, that will be our website. We are going to do it manually with the code. So for the conversion settings, we need to check primary action for bidding optimization. If you are running more advanced type of setup inside your Google ad campaign, then you can mark it as a secondary action. However, for a new ad account, I would not recommend doing that because you don't have any data. So once you have data, then the strategy can be changed. For example, this conversion action can be degraded to a secondary action, and then you can start optimizing your campaigns for the CRM events that can directly be coming from your CRM. However, that is a new ad account, so we will not go that route. So we for this page, we are going to say that it is our contact us page. Don't use value for the section. We will count every conversion as one. Now click on edit, save and continue. We will use Google Tag Manager. But before we use Google Tag Manager, I want you to click on this Google Tag Setup and see event code. And this is our conversion, Google Tag ID. What I want you to do is go to your Google Tag Manager account and create a Google Tag. Google Tags, and first is Google Tag, and I want you to put the conversion ID here. So in that case, this will be our tag ID and initialization on all pages. So this is our Google Tag. Just so our Google Tag is added. Now we want to create a conversion action that is Google Ads thank you page conversion tracking, right? So a naming convention can be anything, but for this video purpose, I'm using whatever is coming into my mind right now. So we will use Google Tag Manager, and again, we have to give a conversion ID and then a conversion label for this conversion action, right? So for triggering, we have to be doing a thank you page that is on a thank you page view. We will trigger this tag, and we want page URL contains, in our case, that is a thank you So we can say that save, and this will be saved, right? So you can see the Google tag found in this container. Click save. Once that is done, then we will going to track the calls coming from our website. And again, the same process. We are going to click on phone call lead now, calls from website visit. So this is very interesting, right? So some people want to track clicks on their telephone number. This is not going to give you, um, I mean, the clicks can be counted as a conversion, but after the click, maybe the user is not going to call that particular number. That's why the first option seems to be more effective when we're running ads, right? So again, we are going to copy the phone number from our website, use this event, and save and continue. So you can see the C event snippet, and in this snippet you can directly copy and paste inside your head section, or if you're using Google Tag Manager, I want you to create another tag for website calls only. That will be the Google Ads calls from website conversion, and displayed phone number is this. Now the conversion ID is, you have to paste it here. Copy this whole code, paste it here. Now the conversion ID is this one, right? And the conversion label is this one. You can see this here, tag ID and conversion label. So the trigger is for all pages, because the phone number, if that is clicked from any page, that will be counted as a conversion. So that's why. And one last is the conversion linker tag. That is also available under the Google Ads section. This is the conversion linker, and that also needs to be fired on all pages. One more conversion action is remaining, and what we need to do here is that we need to create a conversion action for the call extension used in our ads, that is call from ads. When someone clicks on the call ads, right, so we will count as a one conversion. Click done, save and continue, and that's it. And then we have to test it, right? So we can submit this, all the changes, we can publish it. And after that, we are going to preview, click on workspace and preview it, right? So here it is. So we have to see that how many tags are currently firing on a page view of our main website, right? So Google tag is firing, website calls is firing, conversion linker is firing. The only tag that is not firing is the thank you page tag, which will be fired when a page view is equal to thank you, or the page URL contains thank you. So in our case, all the tags are firing, which means that everything we have done is right. Now we need to click on contact and fill out the information to test our main conversion action. That is, when it hits the thank you page, our main conversion action is triggered, or tag is triggered. So in our case, so you can see all tags are fired. So this was the tag we were looking for. So it is submitted. That means that our whole conversion tracking is working. So this is how you're going to set up Google Ads conversion tracking. I will be making another video for enhanced conversion tracking via CRM events or GoHighLevel pipeline stage events. So stay tuned and until the next video. And if you want help implementing Google Ads conversion tracking, you can contact us. Everything will be mentioned in the description of the video. Thanks again. Until next time. Bye bye.